Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you're doing well. This is the monthly reading for Taurus or Vrishabh Rashi, Sun Moon Rising for the month of August 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, to stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Taurus or Vrishabh Rashi, Sun Moon Rising for the month of August 2025. Okay, let's see. Lot of things are going on in your life, Taurus. Things that you might not be aware of. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें बैकग्राउंड में चल रही है बेसिकली बिकॉज यू डू गेट द विल ऑफ फॉर्च्यून as a theme of your month. So yeah, lot of things are going on. Things are coming in. Karmic things are coming in. A lot of karma is involved here. Universe आपकी तरफ काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ला रहे हैं. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हो रहे हैं. Like पॉजिटिव चीज़ें, नेगेटिव नहीं है. एंड वो चीज़ें आपकी तरफ इसीलिए आ रहे हैं क्योंकि उसमें कार्मिक कनेक्शन है. I also see like the energy that is around you is the Ace of Swords. A lot of clarity. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें में आपको क्लैरिटी मिलने वाले हैं. आपको जो चीज़ लाइक लग रहा था ना कि मालूम नहीं है क्या होने वाला है, आपको लाइक कंफ्यूज थे आपको चीज़ लेके, उसमें आपको क्लैरिटी मिलने वाला है. So the Ace of Swords comes as a sign of clarity here, but also as a sign of victory. We will look into this as we go along, but now let's look at the other cards. Now when it comes to your career and finances, I see you have had a tough time when it comes to your career and finances. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आपके हिसाब से नहीं हुए होंगे. And this has led you to be in a very defensive kind of position in your career. And so I see you being very guarded. You are not willing to trust anyone. You are not willing to, mingle with people. Very much distrust when it comes to your career and finances. कुछ तो हुआ होगा. Like maybe specifically when it comes to your finances, there is a chance that someone might have betrayed you. Someone might have scammed you. And this has led you to be in this defensive position. Career wise, I would say, someone may have broken your trust. Someone you believe would help you in your workplace with your work. Probably a co-worker or a senior or someone in your leadership position. But yeah, there is a sense of being very much defensive when it comes to career finances. Now moving on to your love and relationship, very beautiful energy. You get the Knight of Wands. So yeah, this is either you or your person in your life. So आपके लाइफ के हिसाब से जो सेट हो आप उसी को पकड़ के चलिए. But the Knight of Wands comes here as a sign of action. So this is the universe asking you to take action towards your love and relationship, towards your partner. Or if you have someone who is this could mean a person who is an Aries, Sagittarius, or someone with a fire sign, with a fire element overall. So yeah, this person is coming towards you, or you are supposed to take action towards this person. And the energy that shows here is that this person is very flamboyant, he's very charismatic, he's very much, the Prince Charming. And this is not gender specific, could be a male or a female. Doesn't matter which gender they identify with. But this person comes here as a savior, as someone who is willing to take action towards your relationship, towards your emotion, towards like whatever emotions you have towards each other. And a very good kind of energies. So action and possibly progress in your love and relationship. Now when it comes to your health, nothing to worry about. Very good energies. I see you in your power, doing well. There is I don't think and there is anything bothering you. You are very much in your power and very much in authority as well. So health wise, no issues at all. I won't go deep into it because there isn't much to go deep into it. If it's a positive card, it's positive. There's nothing much to worry about, so I won't go deep into it. Now the other energies that are there is the stars. So the universe is kind of asking you to be hopeful, to have to kind of surrender yourself to the universe, to the cosmos, and have faith and try to do things on a basic level. Like the universe is kind of asking you to be humble and also be hopeful and aspire for things at the same time, because with a star the energies are very much on the surface level, on the ground level. Like, see, the imagery or the visual aspects of the card is that the woman here is taking water from the pond and pouring it into the land. So there is a kind of flow of energies here, and with the there are stars, there are 7 stars and the big star in the middle. So that is why the card is called the star. So it's asking you to be very humble, to be very much connected to your conscious subconscious, as well as try to connect with your senses, and the universe will help you to move forward. Now the other card that is there is the King of Swords and the Page of Wands. So yeah, I see you guys, like, see, when I told you about your relationship, there is there is an aspect of taking action, but there is another person, like, it could be you or your partner, but one person is willing to take action and the other person is very much like thinking about it, very much logical, not just taking things on on the basis of emotions. They're thinking things through. They're very matured mentally. So there are two people involved here. One is the one who is very logical and reasoned, and the other is who is driven by emotions and passion. So either way, I see action happening again. But at least for some of you, although action is taken, the other person will just block it, and they will be like, I need more time, I need more to think about it, and then I'll decide. So yeah, there's that. Now the another energies I see that for some of you, again, pregnancy could be on the cards for some of you, but there is also an element of trying to learn things, trying to understand a lot of things, and also an element of exploration. So some of you could be planning to take up a new venture or learn a new thing. Even some of you could be willing to travel, and this is a card that signifies travel overall. So yeah, overall I see it's a very good kind of energy. See, because your theme for the month is the Wheel of Fortune. So even if action is taken in a love and relationship aspect, or even if in your career aspect you are defensive and you are not able to trust people, but a lot of things are going on in the background that you are not aware of, that I'm not even aware of, the cards are not revealing to me. So yeah, just be hopeful, just hope for the best, have trust in the divine, and I seriously believe that positive things are gonna come your way. Now the thing that the card that you should be focused upon is the Justice. So balance and fairness. If you have done good deeds, good things are gonna come towards you. If you have done bad things are gonna come towards you. It's as plain and simple as that. So justice will be served. If you feel that you have been wronged, people have treated you badly, or you deserve better, the universe is definitely gonna bring it towards them. They're gonna face the wrath of the divine, and you can be very much assured of fair justice coming your way. Now let's look at what advice is coming your way from the oracle cards, or messages for you from the oracle cards. And yeah, let's see. messages or advice for Taurus. See, divine source. So divinity is definitely at play here. Divine is, working its way through it. The universe is working its way. Help me know that all my deepest needs will be met. Let me trust that you have a plan and the right actions will come. You are my source for all. So definitely the universe has a plan for you. You are not aware of it, and things are gonna come your way. We just have to have some patience, have faith in the divine. So see, all the cards are kind of signifying that only. There is a very much a universe working its way through your life this month, and just have patience and have faith. So that would be all for your reading, Taurus. I hope you liked the reading and the reading resonated with you. If it resonated with you, do leave a like and comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.